Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amara.
It says Amara.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Can you blow out the candles? Blow.
Come on, blow. Now take blow really hard.
I can.
Oh! Good one! You Now you got some presents to open. You blew out those candles. Yay! This is a present from India. You want to open it?
I'll take the pictures.
What's inside here? Oh, what is it? It's Elmo. Or that's Elmo.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, nice. Is there something in here?
No, the present's in here. The present's in there. Come on, Tina.
What the price?
Here, thanks.
No, those two are for her.
Overdue materials.
Yeah, that's the cost of a book and a half there.
I found it.
Oh, that's already. We returned the book. Just if you don't return the book, they charge you for it.
Oh.
Yeah, and then you
I thought
return
that was
it.
the late charge.
It's like if you don't return it, you have to pay this.
Oh,
Look at those stickers.
and it says India, and it's
And
mine.
she opens it and you realize.
For me to
I
pay.
know what she was saying.
Oh, here's another present for Amara.
Oh!
What's inside?
Oh!
Whoa! Look at that.
It's a sticker and animal coloring book
Yeah.
with a disc of
Look at
pictures.
the animals. There's a horse.
Oh, India, I bet you can't wait till we
And
put
you want
that
to see
disc
the
on
stickers?
a computer.
Where are they? There's some stickers.
Look at all the stickers of the animal. That's a great book, Trish.
And Amara, there's one more thing.
Oh.
A pretty hair clip. Do you want me to put it in your hair? Oh, beautiful. Isn't that pretty?
Did Daddy put it on you?
No.
You want mommy? She may not. Okay. Oh.
Oh, beautiful.